Welcome to Archiesense. House, located in Bao Lam, Lam Dong, presents a harmony between modernity and tradition. Its distinctive red-tiled roof reflects Vietnamese heritage and suits the tropical climate. Design elements such as the curved roof, doors, windows, and decorative patterns on the walls create a soft harmony, reminiscent of flowers blooming amidst nature. The interior of the house is designed with a minimalist approach, making optimal use of natural light and ventilation. The curved ceiling that rises to the top of the roof is equipped with skylights, providing a direct connection to the sky. This design creates a soft visual effect while providing a sense of spacious openness. The dining area with a round table offers a pleasant experience, whether enjoying the morning sunlight or the moonlit night. Large windows with unique designs become a striking element that connects the interior with the outside landscape. Materials such as natural stone, terracotta bricks, and concrete are used to create good sound and heat insulation, while preserving the environment. The House environment is designed with a red brick courtyard and lush greenery that acts as a natural curtain. The combination of natural materials and open design makes this house a cool and private sanctuary, offering peace and balance amidst modern life. Bloom House is a testament to the combination of aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. More than just a place to live, this house is a place to enjoy, reflect, and realize the dream of living in harmony with nature.